How to turn on card mode in Spotify. Hey guys, let's get started. While previously Spotify had launched a feature called as car thing whereby you could continue to play the car mode in the Spotify by connecting it via the Bluetooth. But unfortunately, Spotify has quietly stopped producing its in-car hardware device called the car thing, citing inflation, supply chain disruptions and products financial viability. The touch enabled karting features voice commands, allowing users to quickly access their music and podcast by simply saying, Hey Spotify. Spotify offered it in beta version for limited number of Spotify premium users, but unfortunately by 2022, company disclosed its decision to discontinue the car thing. So for now, you cannot connect or turn on the car thing or the car mode in the Spotify. This is all for today's video. In case of any updates, we will keep you posted. But do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.